What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu today. As you can see, we are kind of inside of a consolidation period here with Shiba Inu. But yeah, please hit that like button, subscribe. It helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And then on top of all of that, definitely check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And also check out the other links. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, all that good stuff. If you make music, definitely check out my BeatStars channel. You will see a lot of good beats on there that you like. Maybe you get some to make some music on, or maybe you just need some beats for your background music for your YouTube channel. Either way, definitely check that out. Check out my Spotify music, Apple Music, all that good stuff. Now, let's get straight to the video. So as you can see here, we are inside of a consolidation period here with Shiba Inu. We came out of this support line of the 708, 705 area very briefly, and then we came right back into it. But it looks like we're consolidating here, so hopefully this consolidation ends in a huge uptrend. So anything could happen right now, but this is a consolidation period. So right now we're just waiting for it right now, and this is like a descending triangle, or actually it's really a ascending triangle, not really a descending triangle. But whatever happens, we just gotta hope for the best here with Shiba Inu. But yeah, let's go over the technical analysis so you can kind of see a better perspective of this. So let's go over this now. Now, shout out to FX Street for this technical analysis. As you can see, Shiba Inu price looks south towards the 0.000006 area as technicals favor Shib bears. So they're saying that the bears are being favored here with Shib. So this next support line they're saying is quite possible for us to reach. And look, we broke out very briefly here, and very briefly here. Each and every single time we broke out of the support line, we just ended up coming right back up with even stronger buy-ins. So it kind of seems like the Bulls do not want Sheep to go below this area here. So I mean, honestly, this is a good area for people to buy. Like every time it goes below the 7 area, people tend to buy Sheep up like it's candy. So it looks like we have some good support here. But remember, anything can happen at the end of this consolidation. It's just a matter of time because look, we're actually ending the near of end of this consolidation. If we cannot break out of this trend line here, if we cannot break out into an uptrend within the next day, we are going to go down to what they're saying 0.000065, and not all the way down to the 6 area, but first down to 6.5 before we actually reach the 6 area. So that's what is going to pretty much happen here. So Shiba Inu extends the losing streak for the third straight day on Sunday, and Sheep price looks south towards the pivotal 38.2% Fibonacci support. So upside remains elusive with 61.8% Fibonacci offering strong resistance. So amidst an underlying downbeat mood across the crypto market, everything's been going down because of the news that came out with the whole China thing. But anyways, everything's been going down. Shiba Inu extends the bearish momentum into the third straight day on Sunday. So yeah, we have been having some bearish momentum in this consolidation. Boom, we started going up huge, and then boom, started going down. But anyways, yeah, the third straight day since Sunday, which is all the way back here on the 23rd, it's been going down. But then we had a little bit of a rise in price action, and then it starts to go down again. But this is called consolidation right here. So we're trading between these consolidation periods. But anyways, let's keep going over this. So in doing so, Shib price maintains this week's range trade, consolidating the corrective pullback from 3-month tops of the 950 area. So the tide is seeing turning in favor of Shiba bears once again, as well, depicted by Shiba Inu's daily technical graph, with the market licking its wounds from the China-led blow. So yeah, China has definitely made everything drop inside the market. Now, the People's Bank of China said on Friday that the Chinese central bank said it was illegal to facilitate the cryptocurrency trading inside of China. So anyone selling crypto to people in China, that is illegal. You cannot sell to anyone out there, pretty much. So that's pretty much what they did out there. So Sheep price is trading in a tight range just above the 0.000070 area, shedding over 2% so far, looking vulnerable starting out a fresh week. Now, Sheep bears remain hopeful while below the Fibonacci retracement level of 61.8. So the meme-based coin, blah, 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 starts a strong bid at 676. The 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of recovery from the September 7 lows of 510 to the 3-month tops of 950. However, the recovery rally from 5-day lows ran into strong offers at the critical 61.8% Fibonacci level at 781, knocking off Doge price back below all the major daily moving averages. So 781 is this what they say is our next line of resistance that we have. So honestly, we have some potential to pass it. It's just all a matter of time, like what happens after this consolidation period. Honestly, the way the market has been going, anything can happen. Anything, literally. All we know is that we are literally consolidating right now. So right now, I would say hold off on buying if you were gonna buy a huge amount of Shib or anything. Just hold off a little bit on buying any crypto because you don't know what's about to come next. Because the SEC could drop some news where it just everything goes down huge, or I mean, China could drop more FUD, everything goes down huge. Anything could happen, literally, just about anything could happen. So even good news can come for crypto, like no one knows. So anyways, let's keep going. However, for the upswing to extend, sheep price needs to find a strong footlong above the critical 61.8% Fibonacci level at 781 on a daily candlestick closing basis. So yeah, they're saying in order for us to be able to even go on an uptrend, first we're gonna have to be able to pass this 781 area all the way up here. It's just about here, somewhere around there. So we have to pass that in order to even be bullish again. So right now, they say we are bearish and we could just randomly break out of this. Like, look, it wants to break out so bad, but it keeps getting rejected at this same trend line, which is the exact reason why I say we're inside of a consolidation period. It just keeps getting rejected. It's never going below these levels here, never going below any of these. Look, never going below this, never going below this, and we're probably about to end it right here. And then this area right here is going to tell whether or not we actually break out into an uptrend to our next resistance line, or whether or not we break out into a downtrend into our next support line. So it's all based on whether or not we're getting more buying or more selling for this. So right now, what I'm seeing some buying and selling, but to be quite honest, I mean, there's a lot of buying going on. Look, there is a lot of buying going on right here at the end. So it looks like it really wants to break out right here, but I mean, we're probably gonna get another red candlestick right around here. So a red candlestick will probably formulate in this area, and it'll probably start to lead us down a little bit, and then maybe some more green candlesticks. So it's definitely looking like the buying and selling is kind of averaged out. So this is a hard thing to kind of tell here. So the 14-day relative strength index, which is the RSI, has pierced through the midline for the downside changing course and signaling that there is room for additional weakness. Now, therefore, sheep bears once again took to the risk test the above mentioned 38.2% Fibonacci level on selling resurgence. A daily closing below the latter will expose the 23.6% Fibonacci level to the same advance of 612. So they're saying if we close out this day negative, like if we cannot continue to have these buy orders and not break out this consolidation into a positive trend line, if we close the day and we're not breaking out and heading up to this next resistance level, then they are saying we are going to go all the way down here to about 650. So that is going to happen if we do not break it. I say 650, they say 612, but I mean, it just depends on how you do your Fibonacci levels. So I definitely think it's about 650. But anyways, let me know where you guys think it will end up going, because it could end up going anywhere, to be honest. At this point, anything can happen. But anyways, let's keep going over this technical analysis. So over here, as you can see, that level will be the line in the stand for the Shiba Inu buyers, a breach which will call for a resumption of the double top bearish reversal from near 950 levels. So pretty much what they're saying is after we break 612, I say 650. So after, and from my perspective, after we break this 650 here, they're saying that this is gonna really motivate the bulls of Shib to buy in, and it's gonna end up pushing us all the way up to the top where we were previously. And we were at 935, 940, give or take, somewhere up there. And they're saying after we hit this area of 650, we're going to eventually just have so many buyers that we go right back up to where we were on September 17th. And that's all the way up here at this resistance line way at the top. So that's definitely huge potential here with Shiba Inu. And that's exactly what they mean right here. So anyways, this is the lines that they're talking about, the resistance that they're talking about. So after we break this support down here of 615, they're saying that we're going to go all the way up to 9409, technically 950. I don't know why they don't just say 950. But anyways, over here, alternatively, immediate resistance is envisioned at the 50% Fibonacci level at 729, where the 21 DMA hangs around in close proximity. Further up, the 61.8% Fibonacci level at 781 will be a tough nut to crack if the upside momentum gathers steam. So if we are to go up here and break 950, they're saying the most resistance that we're going to have is going to be right as we pass this 7 area. This is going to be the biggest line of resistance for us to break up here at 750. Is going to be major resistance, major. So up here, further up, the 61.8% Fibonacci level of 781 will be a tough nut to crack. Sheep bulls will then charge up to retest 855, which is this area right up here. We're going to have to try to retest that. And then after that, only a firm break above the ladder could revive the uptrend towards a powerful barrier at 950. So only a firm break, meaning we have to rise above this significantly, probably halfway, and then we'll just continue to rise and have a huge shoot all the way up here to the top. So there's definitely potential here with Shiba Inu. It's just all a matter of time. And like I said, the red candlestick was forming. I knew it was going to form because it's just something that was going to happen. Like we knew the red candlesticks were going to form, and we knew we're going to get some selling here and get rejected by this consolidation. So yeah, it looks like the consolidation is getting rejected a little bit. Probably will meet this support line again before trying to bounce back up here and break out again. So let's build some momentum here. Shibarmy, we have to stand together. We have to literally buy in. But there's also something else I want to talk about with Shiba Inu here. Before I go over that, look at this. We are now only down 3% in the last 24 hours, only down 8.9% in the last 7 days. Compared to a lot of cryptos, it's not much because in the last 30 days, we're only down 1.5%. That's shout out to Coinbase for helping us, stay stagnant for the whole month. So anyways, let's look over here. Now, we now have 665,513 people holding it. We're finally positive. You remember, check out my last 3 Shib videos. You can see every single day we were losing people holding Shib. Now we're gaining holders in Shib. As you can see here, this is going up. So now we're gaining holders in Shib. We're up 0.0889% inside of the people holding Shib, 0.089. So that's pretty good. Yesterday we only had 664,829 people. Now today we have 665,513. And when we hit that refresh button, we have 665,599. So nearly 100 people in the last 10 minutes of us making this video have bought into Shiba Inu. Now from 0.089 to 0.115. Like that is a huge increase. So this is definitely going good. Now you can see some green candlesticks here. It looks like we're trying to break out now. So yeah, hopefully we can actually break out of this consolidation into a positive trend line. But with all the people buying in, I can definitely see there's more buy orders flowing in. So we definitely have potential to go on the upside here. But anyways, we will more than likely have to retest this support though, so we can build some momentum like they were saying at FX Street. Shout out to FX Street for that technical analysis. That was definitely a good one. But yeah, only thing we got going on right now in Shib right now, the payments that we just now got formulated, we didn't have now payments now with us. So now people can accept payments on their websites, inside their stores and everything. We had this huge update from the Shibarmy. We got this huge update via Satoshi Kusama, which was huge. He's just trying to reinsure the whole Shibarmy. You can definitely check it out because I made a previous video on it. I don't want to go over it again because then that would be really repetitive. But anyways, he's pretty much just going over Shib and what we have going on. They got NFTs and stuff. To be completely honest, I think the NFTs is like a money grab. Like, let's be completely honest. The NFTs is definitely a money grab. We want the burned. We need more Shib to be burned, literally. But he said, hear me out on the burn. We got all this other stuff going on. But I still think there definitely needs to be burn. Over here is where he said, now before you say burn, my answer is yes, but hear me out. So they still are going to do a burn, but first they want to do all the other stuff they're trying to do here in Shib before they burn. But yeah, anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Yeah, if you do like the video, though, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment sections and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. It really helps me out and lets me know what you guys want to hear about. And yes, I do more videos on just Doge, Shib, and Baby Doge. I do way more than those, just those. A few days ago, I did a Phantom video. But next is probably going to be Miami Coin. I got so many different things I'm going to be going over. So yeah, Miami Coin I'm going to be going over. I'm going to be going over AMP. I'm going to be going over Seller, CELR. I'm going to be going over a lot of different things on here. So definitely continue to watch out. Shiba Inu is coming next. So definitely going to be coming out with another update on that. But yeah, leave a comment in the comment section. Hit the like button, subscribe. Check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.